In this SiteGround website builder tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through building a website from start to finish. You'll see how to access professional pre-designed templates with the SiteGround website builder. I'll also show you how to edit your site with the drag and drop editor so you can easily create a professional looking website on SiteGround web hosting. I'll also be providing you with a SiteGround discount that will get you up to 83% off SiteGround hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the SiteGround website builder tutorial going over how to build a website with SiteGround. The first thing you want to do to get started in building your website with SiteGround is to click the link in the description below to visit SiteGround so you can take advantage of getting up to 83% off plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome SiteGround discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the SiteGround web hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek plans. You'll see that you'll save up to 83% off depending on the plan you go with. All 3 plans come with a free domain name, free email accounts, free daily backups with a restore option, free SSL certificate, free CDN, enhanced security, 30-day money-back guarantee, managed WordPress, out-of-the-box caching, unlimited databases, and more. The Startup plan is a good plan if you're going to have just one website. This plan comes with 10 gigabytes of web space and allows 10,000 monthly website visits per month. The Grow Big plan is a good plan if you're going to have more than one website. This plan comes with unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes of web space, and allows 100,000 monthly website visits. The Grow Big plan comes with some extra features such as on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, and site staging. The Go Geek plan includes unlimited websites, 40 gigabytes of web space, and allows up to 400,000 website visitors per month. The Go Geek plan comes with extra features such as on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, staging plus Git, white label clients, free private DNS, highest tier of resources, and priority support. Click the Get Plan button on the plan you want to select. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the Startup plan. You'll now be on the Choose a Domain page. If you'd like to register a new domain name with SiteGround, you can type it in the search field. You'll see that you'll receive your domain name for free. If you click on the .com, you can choose the domain extension you'd like to go with. If you already have a domain name, you can select the existing domain and type in the domain you own. Once you've chosen a domain name or put in one that you already own, click the Continue button. You'll now see congratulations, the domain you chose is available for free registration. You'll want to enter your account information in. Next, input your information for the client information. Input your payment information in. Under the purchase information section, we see 12 months, best deal. If you click on this from the drop-down, you can change the term for your SiteGround hosting. You can choose 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. You get the best deal of 83% off with the 12-month term. If you click the pencil icon where you see the plan you chose, you can change the plan you'd like to go with. If you click the pencil icon next to Data Center, you can change the data center you'd like to go with. Next, you'll see Extra Services. You'll see that you'll be getting a free domain name with your SiteGround web hosting purchase. Next, you'll see optional extra services offered by SiteGround. If you chose to register a domain name with SiteGround, you'll see Domain Privacy. I highly recommend going with Domain Privacy, as this will protect your personal information from the public and can protect you from getting lots of spam and telemarketers reaching out to you via email and phone to sell you their services. When a domain name is registered, it is required, regardless of the company you go with, that your personal information be included in the public WHOIS database. By choosing Domain Privacy Plus Protection, instead of your information showing, it'll show SiteGround's information protecting you. The next extra service is Site Scanner. Site Scanner monitors and scans your website daily and will notify you if your site has been hacked into or malicious code has been added to it, so you can get it fixed. The next extra service is Premium Backup. Premium Backup provides you with automated hourly site backups, on-demand backups, additional daily backups, and you can restore your site, files, or database with a few clicks. The next extra service is Email Marketing. This service allows you to collect leads from your site and convert the leads into sales for your business with this email marketing tool. Scroll down to the Order Summary section. You now want to select the option that you agree to the SiteGround terms and conditions. The next option is optional. Feel free to select this if you want to receive information about SiteGround service, updates, new features, special offers, and more. Click the Pay Now button. SiteGround will now email you your receipt along with login details. I'm here in the SiteGround dashboard on the home page. SiteGround, by default, automatically installs WordPress for website creation, so we first need to delete this, and then we can install and use the SiteGround website builder so that it's added to our existing hosting account. You'll see websites here. Click the Manage button. You'll see the WordPress install of your site here. Click the three dots icon. Click Delete to delete the WordPress install. You'll be taken to the Delete Website page. Click the Confirm button to delete the WordPress install. You'll now see you're all set. Click the Start New Website button. You'll be on the Add New Website page. Up here at the top, you'll see the Data Center. Click the pencil icon and you can choose the data center closest to you that you'd like to use if you want to change it. Next, you'll see New Domain, Existing Domain, and Temporary Domain. If you purchase a domain name or receive one free with your SiteGround purchase, click Existing Domain to connect your existing domain. I'll select Temporary Domain for mine for this tutorial. Click the Continue button. You'll see the Start New Website here. Click the Select button. You'll see the SiteGround website builder here. Click the Select button. Click the Continue button. You'll see the SiteGround CDN and Let's Encrypt SSL are included. Agree to the SiteGround website builder terms. Click the Complete button. You'll see it'll begin creating your site. Once it is done, you'll see you're all set. Your site was successfully created. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Get Started with your site page. You'll see a bunch of templates you can choose from to start building your site. To view a preview of the template, just hover over it and click Preview to preview what the template will look like. If you click the mobile icon here at the top, it'll show you what the template looks like on mobile devices. If you click Apply, you can choose this template to start building your site. Click the Back to Templates at the top left to go back to the Templates page. If you want to create a site from scratch, at the bottom, you'll see Blank Page, Start from Scratch. You'd select this one if you want to start from scratch. One thing to keep in mind is that any template can be used for your website, no matter what it's called. You can easily customize and edit the template to fit your needs. Just choose one you like and then start making it your own. I'll scroll down and find the template called Business for this tutorial. I'll hover over it and click Apply to start creating the site using this template. You'll now be taken to the site admin page. To get back to your SiteGround account, just click Go to My Account. You'll see websites here. If you click Manage, you'll see your website listed here. If you click Email Tools, this is where you can create an email address ending in your domain name. Click the Site Admin button to return to the Site Admin page. Now let's get to know the Site Admin dashboard. You'll see the template you chose showing here. You'll see Change Template. You can click this to change the template to something else if you'd like. Where you see Change Domain, you can click this to change your domain. If you are using a temporary domain like I am, you just click this when you're ready to switch it to a domain that you have existing or register a new domain name for it. You'll see the website link showing up here. Click the Open Link icon and it'll bring up a preview of your site. The Customize button will bring up the drag and drop editor where you can begin editing your site. If you click Settings, you'll see Site Configuration. You can choose the time zone for your site. You can change your site language here. If you click Marketing, you'll see things like lead generation, site tracking, where you can connect Google Tag Manager and other tags. You'll see Page SEO, where you can manage the on-page SEO of your site. You'll see Sitemap. You can regenerate the sitemap or view your sitemap. You'll see Store Manager. If you click this, this is where you can enable e-commerce features for your site. You'll need an e-commerce plan for this, which costs $25 a month. You can try this out for free without commitment if you'd like. I'll click Website Builder. Now let's go over how to customize and edit your site with the SiteGround Website Builder drag and drop editor. Click the Customize button. You'll now be in the editor for the site. To make edits, just click where you want to make edits and you can change the text to what you'd like. You'll see the toolbar showing here where you can change the heading type, the font size. You can link the text out to where you want, add an emoji, change the text color, make it bold, italic, underline the text, add strike through, change the alignment of the text, change to bulleted list, numbered list, and change the capitalization. Over to the left, you'll see things you can change for the entire section here that you clicked into. You'll see the section color where you can change the color of the section. You'll see layout. You can change the layout of the section. You can choose to fit layout to screen height. Under content, you can choose to show text, show primary button, show secondary button. Under background, you can choose to toggle on or off, apply image background. You'll see background image. Click the X button to remove the background image showing here. Click the pencil icon and you can upload an image here you want to use, or you can choose an image already uploaded to the SiteGround website builder. You'll see Unsplash Gallery. Click this and you can browse images you can use for your site. You can search what image you are looking for to bring up images on that. I'll click My Files to go back to images I've got uploaded to the website builder. If you hover over an image, click the Edit Alt Text icon and you can change the alt text of the image. I'll select an image I've already uploaded to the website builder. Click the Update button to add the image to the section. You'll see the image now showing. I'll scroll up to section color. I'll change the section color here to change the text color. I'll scroll back down. You'll see image settings you can make edits to, like full width background, image fit, image position, and overlay. If you click from the drop down where you see disabled under overlay, if you choose content overlay, it'll add this here to the section. Move the overlay over to get it how you like. If you scroll up to section color and change it and go back down to move the overlay, you'll see it'll change the look and color of it based on what you picked. If you click from the drop down, select section overlay. You can move this over to change the overlay of the section. If you scroll up to section color and change it, and go back down to move the overlay, you'll see it'll change the look and color of it based on what you picked. To edit a button on the page, just click into the button. You can change the text to what you'd like. You'll see the button variant here under button variant. Click from the drop down and you can select the look of the button. You can link the button out to where you'd like it. You can change the button color along with other button options. Scroll down to this section on the page. If you click into this section, you'll see that you can change the background color to what you'd like. You can choose to show the testimonial color or not. You can change the testimonial color to what you'd like. You can choose how many columns you want. You can change the padding. You can make changes to the title and testimonials here. You can change the image fit, image shape, and the image scale. If you hover over the icon, click the link icon to link the icon out to where you'd like. If you click update, you can then upload or choose an image to use for this. Next, I'll scroll down to the latest projects section. You can link the image if you'd like. Click update and you can upload or change the image to what you'd like. You'll see all the different things you can edit for the section here on the left side. If you want to add a new section to the page, click Add Section where you want it on the page. It'll give you pre-made templates that you can add to the section of the page. You'll see all the different categories you can choose from to bring up templates for that. I'll click About as an example, and I'll click the Add button on the template I want to add. You'll see the section has now been added to the page, where you can begin editing how you want. If you hover over a section, you'll see that you can move it up or down as you'd like. If you click the three dots icon, you can copy the section, duplicate the section, add a section anchor ID, and delete the section. Next, I want to go over the Contact Us form for your site. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Contact Us form. Click into the form. You can then change the section color, form color, and layout of the form. You can change the padding if you'd like. You'll see title and form. You can choose to show or not show the section title. You'll see Send to Email, where you can input the email you want the form submission to be sent to. You can change the email subject to what you'd like. You can change the thank you message to what you'd like. If you want to undo and redo changes you've made, up at the top, click the Undo button or the Redo button. If you want to revert your page changes, click the Revert Page Changes icon to revert your page changes. The desktop icon will show you the view of the desktop where you can make edits. The mobile icon will show you the page on mobile where you can make edits. If you want to show a Coming Soon page while you create and customize your site, click the Coming Soon icon here. You can toggle the Coming Soon page to be on or off. If you click Edit Coming Soon, it'll take you to the Coming Soon page, and you can make edits like I've previously covered. If you click Preview to bring up a preview of your site. If you click Live Website, it'll bring up your live website. If you click the Update button, it'll update your changes to your live site. Up here at the top, you'll see Home. Click this, and from the drop-down, you can select which page you want to go to begin making edits to. Over in the left side menu, if you click Content, it'll show your live pages on your site along with global sections. You can click a page here to also bring up the page where you can make edits. If you click the three dots next to the page, you could then duplicate that page and delete it if you'd like. If you click the settings icon, you can then change the name of the page if you'd like. You can change the page URL. If you click SEO, you can change the SEO title and SEO description to what you'd like. I'll click Settings here to get back to the previous page. If you click Social, you can choose a social share image, social share title, and social share description. I'll click Content here in the left side menu to go back to the previous page. To make changes to the header of your site, click Header. You can also hover over the header area on the page and click into it to bring up the header area, where you can make edits. You can change the header color. You can change the layout of the header. You can change the menu type. You can choose to show the menu expand icon, which is this icon here next to projects. Under logo, you can choose to show a logo or not. You can choose how the logo is displayed. You'll see Site Logo. Click the X button to remove it. Click the pencil icon and you can upload your own logo or choose it if it's already uploaded to the website builder. You can change the logo size. If you click into favicon, you can upload or choose the favicon for your site. To edit the footer of your site, scroll down to the footer of your site and click into it when you see it says Edit Footer. If you click Content in the left side menu, you can click Footer here to also get to where you can make edits to the footer. You can change the footer color. You can choose to show the logo in the footer. You can change the display of the logo. Where you see the site logo, click the X button to remove the logo and click the pencil icon to upload or choose a logo to use. You can change the logo size. Under special items, you'll see the Show Social Links. You can choose to show social icons or not. Color style is where you can change the color style of the social icons. To remove a social icon, click the trash can icon next to the one you want to remove. You can put in the social link here. Click the Add Social Links button to choose a social icon to add. You'll see the other options you can choose to have or not, like display back to top, display credit link. If you toggle show copyright text to on, you can enter the copyright text here. If you toggle show policy links to on, you can choose to show the privacy policy terms and conditions pages. Next, let's go over the navigation of your site. In the left side menu, click Navigation. You'll see your main navigation showing here. You can click into one and move it up or down to where you'd like it. To remove it from being in the menu, click the trash can icon next to the one you want to delete. You'll notice under Projects, Case Study is slightly to the right underneath it. This is how you make that page show as a drop-down underneath that. To add a new item to the menu, click the New Item button, enter the name. Under Link Type, you can choose the link type. Under Location, you can choose the location of it, like Main Navigation Menu or a footer link. You can choose to have it open in a new tab and make it nofollow if you'd like. Click the Add Item button to add it to the menu. You'll see mine is showing here. If you click the pencil icon next to one, it'll bring you to where you can edit the name, link type, and make it open in a new tab or make it nofollow. If you click Files in the left side menu, this is where you can upload images to the website builder or see all the images currently uploaded to the website builder. If you want to make edits to the style of your site, click Style in the left side menu. If you click Colors, under Palettes, from the drop-down, you can select a color template for your site. You can change the palette color here. If you click System Pages Color, you can change the palette color for this. I'll click Style to go back to the styles. If you click Fonts, you can click into one and change the font for that. If you click Custom, you can then choose a heading font to use. If you click Paragraph Font, you can then choose a paragraph font to use. I'll click Style to go back to these styles. If you click Shapes, you can change the shape of the buttons and labels. You can change the shape of the form elements and other. That's it. You now know how to access professional pre-made templates with the SiteGround website builder, how to create your website, and how to customize it with the easy drag and drop editor. That wraps up my SiteGround website builder tutorial showing you step-by-step how to build your website with SiteGround web hosting. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment below to let us know. It really helps us improve our content, and don't forget to subscribe for more SiteGround web hosting tutorials.